How to collect your vaginal sample. Your HPV self-test kit will come with instructions, a vaginal swab packet, a barcode label, a biohazard bag, a prepaid return shipping label, and a return envelope. Before collecting your sample, please keep these things in mind. Do not collect your sample while menstruating. Do not pour the preservative out of the tube. Wait at least 24 hours after intercourse to collect your sample. Do not collect your sample within 7 days of antibiotic use. And do not use personal lubricants to assist with collection. Now that we know what is in our kit, we are ready to collect the vaginal sample. It is important to place a barcode sticker on the tube, as the lab will not be able to process your sample without the barcode sticker. Once that is completed, you are ready to collect the vaginal sample. Open the vaginal swab packet and make sure that you don't touch the cotton tip. When you are ready to collect your sample, insert the cotton tip of the swab into the vaginal canal. Gently swirl for 30 seconds. Remember, do not use personal lubricants as it can affect the result of your sample. Now that the sample is collected, place the swab into the tube. Make sure the cotton tip is facing downward into the tube. Break the wand at the dotted line. With the swab inside the tube, place the cap back on the tube and make sure the cap is tightly sealed. Place the sample in the biohazard bag. The biohazard bag will have an absorbent sheet inside. Make sure to tightly seal the bag. Place the biohazard bag in the HPV self-test box. Place the sleeve back on the box and place the box into the return bag. Make sure to place the prepaid shipping label on the outside of the bag. After this, you are ready to mail out your sample. Please remember to mail out your sample within 24 hours of collection. Remember that the shipping is free with the prepaid label, and you can drop off the package at any postal office near you.